Hi guys, this video lesson is the 21st century after school session for Jamestown Public Schools. I'm Miss Karen and this is my co-star Miles. We live in the same house, so don't worry about social distancing. We've been following that and we've been doing really well. We're all really healthy so far. So today's lesson is going to be based on subtraction. This is going to be for anywhere from ages around kindergarten to 3rd grade, but maybe even a little before or after. It just depends on what level your student is at. So these flashcards are the MEAD flashcards. I have addition, subtraction, and multiplication. I'm just waiting on the division to come in. I'm making single videos for each of those. But for this one, we're focusing on the subtraction part. So I would really recommend getting your student either familiar with flashcards, even if you make them yourself or if they make them, it really helps. Even just creating the flashcard with the right answer on one side and then the question on the other side, it really helps improve their all kinds of skills, their math skills, their writing skills, just all their comprehension. So if just as long as you can get them to do it like 5-10 minutes every day, even if it's just Monday through Friday, 5-10 minutes, it really improves it. So today, I'm going to be going through some of these. We're going to be talking about them. I'm going to be asking Miles to do some of them. I'm going to give you a second. I'm going to show the camera the question. And then if there are any confusion, we're going to go over it. We're going to have a correct pile and an incorrect pile. And you can do this with your student. I would highly recommend it. And I would say if you're going to have an incorrect pile, at the end of it, shuffle them up and go back through them. Because those ones are going to be the tricky ones and they might remember the order of it, so I shuffle them. But also it just really helps get it in their brain that 2 minus 0 is really 2 and it's not 0, so, or any number. So we're going to start off with 6 minus 5. And Miles, what's 6 minus 5?
1.
1, good.
I haven't done subtraction yet.
Yeah. And on the back of each card there's another problem. And on the bottom of the opposite side, it's going to say the correct answer. So you don't even have to look at it and flip back and think about it. It's really just for them to get their brains thinking. So we're going to flip it. On the other side, it says 11 minus 6. Now, Miles, what would 11 minus 6 be?
5.
5, awesome. So that's the correct pile. So this one is 4 minus 3. What would 4 minus 3 be?
1.
1. We're going to flip it because this one's a little better. Is 10 minus 4. What's 10 minus 4?
6.
6. So we're going to look at this one. We have a 10 minus 4. So if your student's really struggling, some of the issues or some of the ways we can focus on is holding up your fingers. So if you hold up 10 fingers and you subtract 1, 2, 3, 4, you have 6 left. And that's awesome. That's how you can get that answer. Another way that you can do it is you can say, okay, if 10 minus 4 equals something, what plus 4 equals 10? And then you gotta think to yourself. So you can count up to it. Or another way you can do is you can start at 4 and then you can go 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As soon as you get to that upper number, the 10, and you see 6 on your hand, you know the answer is 6. So we're going to put that in our correct pile. Our other one flew away, but that's okay. So now right here we have a 1 minus 1. Miles, what would 1 minus 1 be?
0.
0, awesome. And then a 9 minus 3. What would that be, Miles?
6.
6, okay. And he's going to run off and go get the card, I think. Yeah. Flew away on us. Okay. So this is going to conclude our lesson. This is just a quick 5-minute talk about flashcards and subtraction work. Look at that. Best co-star. Okay. So again, thank you for listening. And if you or your students or whoever is listening, if you need more help, go ahead and give Striders a call, a text, email, whatever it may be. Any of us really just want your kid to succeed and do as best as they can, whether that be an A or it be a C or just passing or just graduating, whatever it may be. We're here for you. We're here for your kids. So please get a hold of us and we'll work our best to see the best potential of all of them. All right, thank you. Bye.